Ever wondered if a simple tweak to your flour could turn it into a powerhouse of health benefits? Today, I've gathered groundbreaking research on 5 ingredients that can do just that. From ancient remedies to modern science, these additions aren't just about flavor, they pack a punch against diabetes, cholesterol, and even cancer. Get ready to learn how fenugreek, flaxseed, carom seeds, sesame seeds, and moringa can transform your everyday cooking into a shield against illnesses. Stay tuned to discover how you can easily incorporate these superfoods into your diet for a healthier tomorrow. I am going to tell you about 5 research-based things. There are many videos on this topic and various videos exist, but this is compiled data from different research articles. If these are added to flour, it becomes medicinal flour, providing numerous benefits. This video will certainly be very beneficial to you. First on the list are fenugreek seeds, known as methidana. This is an ancient medicinal plant used to make medicines. Check out this 2024 article on the properties of fenugreek seeds. They are anti-diabetic, antioxidant, anti-obesity, helping with weight loss, have hypocholesteremic effects, lowering cholesterol, are anti-cancer, and have cardioprotective effects, meaning they are good for the heart. Second is flaxseed alsi, which has significant health benefits and disease prevention properties. I always say, prevention is better than cure. It prevents hepatitis B and C. According to a 2023 study on flax seeds, they improve lipid profiles, lower bad cholesterol (LDL), reduce blood pressure, lower fasting glucose, decrease insulin resistance, a major issue for diabetes patients, have anti-cancer properties and antioxidant properties. If you have these issues, it reduces their symptoms, menopause, female hormone issues, constipation due to its high fiber content, mental fatigue, skin roughness, and wound healing. How to use: dry, roast, grind, and add 1 teaspoon to the flour. Third on the list is carom seeds ajwain. A 2014 PubMed Central article discusses their therapeutic effects. They alleviate bloating, gas, fatigue, diarrhea, prevent abdominal cancers, reduce abdominal pain, and address respiratory distress and loss of appetite. How to use: roast, grind, and add 1 teaspoon to half a kilogram of flour. Fourth is sesame seeds till. According to a 2022 study, sesame seeds are antioxidants, lower cholesterol, and are beneficial for kidneys, liver, and heart. They have anti-inflammatory properties. The 5th superfood, which is often talked about, is moringa. It's an herb, a medicinal plant. According to a 2023 study, it heals wounds, relieves pain, heals ulcers, and helps with liver and heart issues, cancer, and inflammation. How to use: initially add half a teaspoon of moringa powder to the flour, gradually increasing to 1 teaspoon per kilogram of flour, as it has a strong taste that needs to be adapted to. If you add these 5 things to your flour in this way, your flour will become a superfood, taking on a medicinal form. See how many issues you can prevent.